Hey guys, Nick Drossos from Code Red Defense. So I got a question is, Nick, how do I defend against a knife when somebody's holding the knife backwards or concealing it, okay? So the first thing is when we're looking at knife defense, and I'm covering this more and more, it's about awareness, right? Awareness and distance. For him to stab me, so go take a few steps back, pat, hand down like you're talking to me. So one around here, if he wanted to stab me, he would have to really launch or like be a lot more telegraphic. So he would have to want to stab me, the knife would have to be either out or concealed. He would have to get in my range, which is about here, and then decide to attack with the knife. So distance is very important. Space, distance, and awareness is the key to knife defense. I'm more and more, and I don't want to get into breaking it down because I could talk just about this about an hour easily, drills and exercises that you can do. But I have that in, we have that in our knife defense video. We'll put the link in the bottom of the comment box. But just to break it down, if the knife is behind, so like you're talking to me and you're doing this, and I can't see here, I have to assume, look at the positioning I'm taking. I'm not doing this. I'm here. I'm moving away from the knife where I can block it if I had to. Here, I could jam it, right? At the same time, I could also strike here and move. So I'm positioning myself in a way that I'm not, come closer, Pat, like bring the knife behind you. So I want to look at the knife from here, that if I'm here and I'm talking to him, I'll start moving away this way. So start moving like you're talking to me. Already, I want to start moving away from the knife. I don't want to do this into the knife, right? If I'm here, I'll go, boom, I'll strike, and I'll get out as quickly as possible. Right? So when we focus on the knife, I want to focus when he's here. So if I'm doing this and I'm talking to you, start moving, Pat, bring your hands up, and I'm doing this. What you want to be careful is that you're always in a position of angle where here you want to move back a little bit. You're here that if you saw this, you're able, boom, to jam it or strike as quickly as possible. So angles and positioning is the key to knife movement. So distance, awareness, angle and positioning movement to maximize your offense as well as your defense. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, one of my favorite videos, guys, is our knife defense video. It's 3 hours long. It's action-packed drills, full out. We'll put the link on the bottom. Go check it out, guys. It's worth every penny. The material in that will save your life. I can guarantee it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.